What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Dutchess yard and it is absolutely freezing here today. It said -8 on my truck on the way over here. We have a high of I think 17 today, so it's gonna be cold all day. I actually have the garage door shut. It's freezing in here, but it's even colder outside. I do have my truck right outside. We are connecting it to this trailer later. Thankfully, I parked this trailer inside here. I have to get everything unloaded. If I didn't park it in here, one, it would be covered in snow, and two, we'd be unloading this outside where it's even colder. So luckily the forklift started right up. I tested that first. I am gonna let it warm up while I get all these straps off of here, but I was a bit concerned with it being so cold. Luckily that thing fired right up. So anyway, let me get all of these straps off. We'll get this stuff unloaded. We do have one thing out in the yard we got to grab, and then we are stopping at the welder to pick up the plow that he made a stainless mold board on. Surprised my camera hasn't shut off yet. Usually when it's this cold, it will shut down and say, like, camera is freezing or something like that. I forget what it says, but. All right, guys, we are pulling into Ortiz Welding. See where the plow is. Probably got it tucked away somewhere. Let me run in and talk to him. We'll get this thing loaded. All right, guys, we got this thing all loaded up and strapped down, ready to go. You can see the whole new mold board looks super nice. This thing is absolutely beautiful. He even put new hardware in it all across it for us, top and bottom. So very, very nice. Time to hit the road, get to our Orange County yard, and get this thing unloaded. All right, guys, I got the loader parked and plugged back in, ready to go next time the guys need it. I have the plow dropped over here, left it up on a 6x6 in case they want to grab it. They can just pull right up to it, slide the floor jack under, jack it up right to the correct height, pin it, and they'll be good to go. I just need to roll my straps up, throw them back in my truck, and lock this gate, and I'm getting out of here. I'm actually heading down to my main shop to film another video on the Peterbilt. We are actually going to test it today for the first time. Plus, I have another part that I picked up from the welder that I haven't told you guys about yet. I've been keeping it a little bit of a secret, but nothing too crazy. Anyway, that'll be tomorrow's video. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.